I do my homework. She does her homework. They do their homework. Do you do your homework? What do all of these sentences have in common? They all use the word do. Welcome back to Lingoni English. I'm Emily, and in this video, I will teach you how to use the word do in English. Let's get started. To do is an irregular verb in English. That means it doesn't follow the normal rules of conjugation like some other verbs. This means you have to learn all the conjugations on your own and remember them. Let's conjugate the verb together so we can remember how it goes. I do. You do. She, he, it does. We do. You do. They do. Okay, so we conjugated the verb, but what does the verb even mean? Well, that's a complicated or difficult question. Let's start with what do means in positive sentences. To make it simple, usually do means to perform an action. I do my homework. I do my homework. So the structure of the sentence is subject, do or does the rest of the sentence. So let's look at a few example sentences that use the verb do. I do my work. I do my work. You do the dishes. She does the cleaning. Or he does the cleaning. We do the dance. We do the dance. You do your chores. What are chores? Chores are things we do at home, like cleaning, or the dishes, or washing the clothes. You do your chores. They do the grocery shopping. All of these are actions that use the verb do. But what about do in the negative form? In the negative, do follows this structure. Subject, do or does, not, verb, rest of the sentence. Let's break this down. I do not. You do not. She, he, it does not. We do not. They do not. You do not. I do not sing. I do not sing. I don't sing. Don't forget, do not can be contracted to a smaller word, don't. You don't listen. You don't listen. She doesn't work. She does not work. She doesn't work. He doesn't like cheese. He doesn't like cheese. It does not move. Move. It doesn't move. We don't talk in class. We do not talk in class. You all don't smoke. You don't smoke. They don't go to school. They do not go to school. You can also have do not do. I don't do my homework. I don't do my homework. She doesn't do the dishes. She doesn't do the dishes. We don't do the grocery shopping. We don't do the grocery shopping. Okay, so let's move on. You have the positive and negative forms, but what about the question form? Questions with do follow this structure. Do or does plus subject plus verb. Do you smoke? Do you smoke? Do I? Do you? Does she? Does he? Does it? Do they? Do we? Do you all? Let's try this in a few complete sentences. If someone asks you, do you smoke? How do you say yes or no? You could say, yes, I smoke. Or, hopefully, you say, no, I don't smoke. No, I don't smoke. Or simply, no, I don't. No, I don't. I don't smoke. I don't. Does he sing? Does he sing? No, he doesn't. He doesn't sing. Do they eat meat? No, they don't. They're vegetarians. Do you work? Yes, I do work. Or, yes, I do. Long answer, short answer. Okay, so that's all for this video on the verb do. There's a lot more to learn about this verb, but this is just the beginning. Get some more practice by writing some sentences of your own in the comments below. We will read them and correct any mistakes and help you. Don't forget, Lingoni has an app for you to practice this and much more. Thank you so much for watching this video, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.